How to fix no access to Instagram music, fix Instagram collaborator error. Now, if you're getting the error cannot collaborate because they do not have access to Instagram music, this kind of problem you're having, there could be a couple of reasons for this, and sometimes the issue might not but be with you, but with the collaborator or the person you're trying to collaborate. So what you both have to do is, first of all, make sure that you are both using the latest update of the Instagram application, and just make sure that you're not outdated. So go to your respective Play Store and check if you are updated to the latest version. After that, you want to open the Instagram application. Then what you want to do from there is basically tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option from the top right. Then once you come to settings and activity, first of all, you want to make sure that both of your accounts are set to public account and make sure that it is not your private account. After that, I would also recommend that you switch your account type to a professional account. So if you're using a personal account, you can go to creator tools and insights here, or you can also go to account type and tools, and right here you can say switch to professional account. So from here, both of you can switch to a professional account. The next issue could be that the other person might not have allowed tagging, or you yourself might not have allowed tagging. So go to this option called tags and mentions. Then when you come to tags and mentions, make sure you and the other person have allowed tags from everyone, and you also want to select allow mentions from everyone. After you do this, you should definitely be able to collaborate with the other person. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.